Let's solve the square root function, or the square root equation. The square root of 3x minus 2 equals negative x. Okay, so let's get the square root by itself. We're going to have to check our solutions here. But let's start off by adding 2 to both sides, so that I have the square root of 3x minus 2 is equal to 2 minus x. Okay, let's square both sides. So 3x minus 2 is equal to 2 minus x times 2 minus x. Let's distribute that out. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times negative x is negative 2x. Negative x times 2 is negative 2x. Negative x times negative x is positive x squared. Let's clean that right side up so it looks more like a regular quadratic here. X squared. These two go together, so negative 4x. And then my constant is 4, positive 4. Okay, so there's my quadratic. Since it's a quadratic, let's get it all equal to 0. I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides and add 2 to both sides. So I'm left with x squared minus 7x plus 6. Okay, so can I factor that? Well, let's see. I need two numbers that multiply together to equal a positive 6, but add together to equal a negative 7. Multiply to be positive 6, add together to equal a negative 7. Negative 6 and negative 1. Negative 6 and negative 1 multiply together to be positive 6. They add together to be negative 7. Okay. X minus 6 equals 0. X minus 1 equals 0, giving me two potential solutions, 6 and 1. 6 and 1. Now it's just a matter of plugging those numbers in to test to see if they work, right? Does 6 give me the answer that I need? Does 1 give me the answer that I need? So go back to the original. The square root of 3 times 6 minus 2 equals negative 6. Okay, is that true? Well, let's work it out. 3 times 6 is 18. 18 minus 2 is 16. The square root of 16 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. We've got something kind of crazy here, right? 2 does not equal negative 6, so we can rule 6 out as a solution. Let's try it with 1. 3 times 1 minus 2 is equal to negative 1. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. The square root of 1 is 1. One minus 2 is negative 1. Negative 1 equals negative 1. Okay, I do have one solution, and it's 1.